Let's do this!
With your back against the mirror, take a video as you pan clockwise till you touch the mirror and back. Now import your video into InShot. Split the clip where you pan away from the mirror and trim the clip for a swifter transition. Now select the second portion and press flip. Now export the video. Import your video back into InShot. Press speed. Select curve and the U-shaped preset. Now make your final adjustments. And here are the final results.